Dear students and parents, Ilahia Higher Secondary School Kappad is one among a few acclaimed educational institutions of Kerala. This institution is established and run by Al Huda Islamic Cultural Center and Ainul Huda Orphanage Kappad. Our school follows state syllabus and is recognized by the Education Department of Kerala. Our achievements both in curricular and co-curricular areas are remarkable. With a broad national outlook, we impart modern quality education to all, irrespective of caste, creed and religion. Due emphasis is given for the poor, needy and the downtrodden. With immense pleasure and with great pride, I would like to inform you that we are achieving high standards in almost all public examinations. Our students come out with flying colors in almost all competitive examinations. For the last 22 years, we have achieved 100% result in SSLC examination. Besides, year after year, the number of full A+ also increased considerably. Our school bagged 10th rank in SSLC examination at our credit before the introduction of grading system. Our achievements in LSS and USS are also remarkable. Our participation and achievements: Kerala School Kalolsavam, Sports and Games, Science Fair, etc. are remarkable. In all these competitions, special training and attention is given. We have enough number of specialist teachers for this purpose. Music, dance, drawing, craft, work experience, etc. are being taught along with curriculum. Since we have a vast playground, emphasis is also given for sports and games, for which the service of an experienced teacher is available. Our campus stretches over a vast area. Calm and serene atmosphere prevailed throughout the campus. It is highly conducive for effective teaching-learning process. Our campus is an ideal center for kids. Our kids are provided all types of playing materials to make their teaching learning more effective and enjoyable. Along with curriculum, due emphasis is given for communicative English as well. To learn English well, the window of the world will open to you. Apart from textbooks, a vast library with thousands of books, periodicals and magazines let open always to our students. Separate class library for each sections have been set up to encourage and inculcate reading habit among our children. Separate laboratory set up for all sections, giving maximum exposure to our children for enjoying learning by doing. Multimedia classrooms with separate computer lab is another highlight. We are also giving enough training to participate in almost all competitive examinations. The same enthusiasm and guiding spirit is still with us. In this post-COVID 19 world and in the changed scenario, we are getting geared up to conquer new heights. Our management has come forward with most modern e-learning facility to tackle this situation. As you are unable to attend the classes, the only alternative is to make maximum use of available online virtual classes. We are trying to give you the most effective video interactive classes by using our own YouTube channel. Your teachers will come to you online. They are ready to help you in all means. Worksheets will be provided to you, and as and when schools reopen, all classes will be revised and repeated. Now, listen to your classes, do your homework, read your textbook, interact with your teachers, prepare your own notes, be positive for your reunion with your friends and teachers. Definitely, you will get back your olden days. Thanking you.